So this is a brief overview of the beginning of the wiring harness that I made for the 06 VLX600. All you guys have been asking about it, so I'll break it down into steps so hopefully you can understand. So the numbers: one is the 30 amp resettable relay. That's something I picked up off of eBay so that it'll trip by itself, but it'll also reset so I don't have to replace it every time if it blows. 2 is the starter solenoid, 3 is the start switch, and 4 is the main power switch. However you choose to use those switches, what switches you choose to use, is completely on you. The way it works is you got your battery on the left there. The negative terminal goes to ground, it's on the left. The positive 12 volts on the right. There's only 2 wires that come off the battery. The main battery wire, which goes to number 1, the resettable relay, and then crosses over to 2, which is the starter solenoid. So you've got the 2 big posts on the starter solenoid and the 2 small posts. The 2 big posts, one comes in from main power, but I have the fuse in line, and then goes over to the starter. In order to activate the starter relay, you need to ground it or complete the circuit with power. So you ground one side, and the other side goes to 3, which is the start switch, which when you apply power, closes the circuit inside there and allows that start switch, or the starter solenoid, to close contact, which sends power to the starter. After that, I have my own fuse box, which is something I picked up at a local Napa, and that's my main power that feeds all the other systems. So this is just a basic main power switch, which is 4. I forgot about the main power switch, number 4. That's my main power that's going to all the other components from the battery. So I hit that toggle switch and it powers everything. Once I hit the start switch, everything's already got power. It cranks over and stays running. I kill the power switch, everything dies. But you'll always have hot to here and to here. So be mindful of that where you place things, contact switches and all that stuff. So that's part 1, and I will add pictures and videos and other stuff once I add all the other components to the relay.